Hey guys, I'm Ismail Sheikh, and today we are going to learn about the SQL in operator. So first we are going to check the introductory part. We will try to understand what is this in operator. Later we will check one example, how this works, and then later we will check the syntax, and then we will perform a practical on SQL Server Management Studio, and we'll try to understand the practical part on how we can use in operator in SQL. So please stay tuned. Thank you. So first, let's start with the introduction part. Let's understand what is an operator. So the in operator is a logical operator that allows you to test whether a specified value matches any value in a list. So let's say if there is any list and you want to find particular values, in this case you can use an operator. The second point here is the in operator allows you to specify multiple values in a where clause. So let's say if you want to find multiple values, you can use an operator after where statement. We will check the practical part, so don't worry about that. The third point is that the in operator is a shorthand of multiple or operators. So let's say if you are adding multiple or conditions, your time will be more if you're adding or condition. So instead of adding or operator, you can always add an operator, and you can add multiple values. It will save your query length and your time as well. Now let's check how these end statement works. Before that, we will check few examples where we can use end statement. Let's say if you want to select customers from specific locations, let's say if there are 1,000 customers and you want to find some customers from a particular location, let's say Mumbai or Pune, that time you can use in statement, and you will find the results. The second example here is selecting orders from specific customers. Let's say if there is any special customer who orders more, so you can use in statement to find those customer list as well. The third example here is selecting names of students having specific grades or percentage. So let's say if you want to find topper, or you want to find uh, students with specific grades, you can use in statement. Now let's understand how this in operator can be used in SQL Server. So this is the syntax. So first you have to specify the select statement as usual, because you are going to retrieve values from a particular column. You have to specify the column name after that, and you have to also specify the table name. So select column name from table name, and you have to apply where condition so that you can add an operator. So after you specify the where column, you can use in operator, and then you have to enclose it with opening and closing bracket, and then you can specify the values you want to match from the table, or the values which are specifically needed from the table. Now let's jump to the practical part and understand how this in operator works. We will check uh, the OR operator as well, so that you can make a comparison between OR and in operator. So this is our SQL Server Management Studio. I have already created one table named employee. So it contains ID, employee name, date of birth, gender, department, designation, annual salary. Now first let's check how this OR operator can be compared with an operator. So first I have used one query in order to find a department. I have used this query. I want to find dev and support from the employee table, and I have used OR statement here. So I'll break down the statement one by one. So first I have used select statement as usual, and then I've specified the column name, that's employee name, and department from the employee table. And then I have used where clause to apply the condition, and I'm using column department, and I want to know the dev department, so I'm applying equal to, and I'm specifying the dev department. And uh, if the dev department is not there, I'm applying or condition here. Again, department, I want to know the support as well. So once we execute it, you will find this result. So you will find the employees which belong to dev, and employees which are in support as well. So this is how you can use it with OR operator. Now let's check how this works with the IN operator or IN statement. Now I have the same query, select employee name department from employee, where I have specified in here, and I'm enclosing it with opening and closing bracket, and then I'm directly specifying the values that I want to select from that column. The first one is dev and the second one is support. So basically it acts like a multiple OR statement, but it reduces your query size. Now let's execute it and check what is the result. So you can see you will find the same result when you execute the second query as well. This basically saves your time and of writing the query, and also the execution time as well. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, please share this video with your friends, and if you have any queries, please post your queries in the comment section, and please share this video with your friends so that we get support. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.